Hello, in this video I want to show you a few tips on how to set up REALME C17 for a senior person. To do this, first we'll need to open our settings. Now inside, if we look for something like a simple or senior mode, which will convert our phone instantly to that mode, there's no such thing, so that means we'll need to set all of the settings manually. And then now when we're in the settings, scroll down and look for accessibility. This might be in the additional settings. Here it is. Now next thing is the magnification. You'll be able to enable it. If you enable it, you can use the shortcut, which should appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you click on that, your screen will turn with orange outlines and you can click anywhere to zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on that icon again. Now let's go back. Next thing I would do is remove animations. This will reduce motion sickness when using this device. And I'm also trying to look for display settings, but I guess they're not here and we'll need to go there in other way. So let's go back through the settings. Inside we need to go up and go for display and brightness, font and display size, and right here you'll be able to adjust your font size, make it as big as possible. It's optional, you can adjust it however you like, and when you click on apply, as you can see, our display becomes much bigger. You can also turn on the dark mode, which will make your phone a bit darker, so everything is much clearer, for me at least. It's again personal thing, so you can adjust it however you like. And that would be all of the settings I would recommend to change. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.